Usually when you think of a dressing, you think of olive oil to emulsify it, but I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic dressing using sour cream as the fat to emulsify. This is a very Greek-inspired dressing. So in a small blender, just like this one, I'll add some feta, some Greek feta that I'll crumble up, and I'll just leave a small amount for the garnish later on. Some honey for some sweetness, and that contrast of salty feta and the honey is just fantastic for a dressing combination. Along with some lemon juice, about half a lemon, and some dried oregano. Again, just leaving a sprinkle in the bowl for the garnish later on. So we'll place the lid on and we'll blitz this until it becomes smooth. Okay, you can see that it's a thick paste now, too thick for a dressing. So this is where the sour cream comes in. It's also going to give a lovely tangy flavour to it. So a few generous spoonfuls of the sour cream. And now we'll blend this again until it thins out. If it is too thick, you can add a small amount of hot water too. All right, let's have a look at this. Ooh, it looks good. It almost resembles ranch sauce, but does have that Greek inspiration behind it. And I didn't add any water. It is the perfect consistency. Now I'm just going to dress some of these ripe tomatoes. We'll drizzle that over the top, a few generous spoonfuls. And we'll give that a mix to coat each individual wedge. Yum-o, what a different way to dress a classic tomato. We'll place a large bowl over here and just pour that into the centre. And then to garnish it, fine slices of red onion over the top, a sprinkle of that extra oregano, and then to really show off that we've got some feta cheese in there, a sprinkle of feta cheese over the top. This is almost like a modern take on a classic Greek salad. It's a fantastic way to eat tomatoes, that tanginess of the sour cream and the feta cheese. And don't forget the sweetness from the honey, an absolutely beautiful salad.